Hello, muy buenos dias de Biscayne National Park. Andrea is actually in the truck. Her voice went out last night, so she probably won't be saying a whole lot today, but you will see her. She is here with me. But we're going to spend the day at Biscayne National Park, do a little bit of a tour, show you what they have to offer, and maybe it's something you want to do on a little weekend or day getaway. Stay with us. I'm Dan, and this is my wife, Andrea. If you enjoy traveling for day trips, weekend getaways, food excursions, and more, we invite you to join us on our journeys, sharing with you our adventures, our insights, our thoughts, and our recommendations of the places that we visit. Come join us and have fun.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be.
Well, everyone, here we are. We're at Biscayne National Park. We're going to take a walk around, show you everything that we find in case it's something that you would like to do. I've been here before. It's a pretty neat little place. It's a national park. It's actually free to walk around. It doesn't cost you anything. There are things to do inside that do have a little bit of a cost. But let's go explore that. We'll explain a little bit more. And at the end of the video, we'll give you our thoughts. All right? Stay with us. hope you enjoyed the quick tour. Unfortunately, we weren't able to go out onto the boardwalk that they used to have. They're renovating it to raise the elevation of it, to protect against hurricanes, to protect against high water. That was supposed to be done in March, but now it's supposed to be done in July. We'll see. It's a federal project. Remember, I was in the Coast Guard 24 years. Nothing ever ends on time with the federal government, but hopefully it looks like they're getting close to completion, so hopefully it'll be done soon. But it's a great place to come for the day. Again, you can rent paddle boards and kayaks. If you have a paddleboard or kayak, there's a place to launch it here. They do snorkeling tours, other guided tours out on the bay. Remember, the whole bay is a national park, so it is protected. Right now, they just went into high transmission COVID protocol, so if you do come in and you go inside, you do have to wear a mask, so that's why you saw us wearing a mask. But it's a great place to come for a day trip. Highly recommended. If you live in Miami-Dade and you haven't been here, come on down. It's great. It's here in Homestead. If you're visiting the area, a lot of visitors come. They love to visit national parks. This is a really nice national park to come and visit. So highly, I love your voice. No voice. Anyway, like and subscribe to our videos. Comment below if you like this video. We love doing day trips. We love sharing our experiences with you. So please like and subscribe. Continue to watch, share with your friends and family if you like it. And we would love to have you along our journey. We'll see you soon.